Euro Yen daily forecast June 26, FXEmpire.com. Euro Yen fell for the session on Monday, as most yen related pairs did. Pair, of course, is risk related, as most yen pairs are, and in times of economic turmoil, it will follow, either up or down, the risk appetite around the world. With the euro being the center of all things negative right now and all concerns, it makes sense that this pair fell during the session. Because of this, we look at this and we see that 100 is still basically the epicenter of a range between what we see as basically 100.50 or 100.5 and below it at 99.5. With this in mind, it looks like we are possibly setting up to be range bound between now and the end of the week with the European Summit. Makes sense, quite frankly. You can see we did get a little bit of a bounce towards the end of the session, but it does look like we're going to be on one side of 100 or another by about 50 pips, at least until some kind of decisive move is made. The trend is down, so of course we prefer selling as we get closer to 100.50 on signs of weakness. Of course, a break below 99.50 would have us selling as well, and maybe a little more aggressively so. The Bank of Japan has been working against the value of the yen, but you should watch the dollar-yen pair. For example, if that pair melts down, then yen intervention could affect all yen-related pairs. They will not be quite as concerned about this pair as long as dollar-yen can stay somewhat lofty.